So I'm first filling in my eyebrows with the ABH Brow Wiz in Chocolate. Now I'm just dabbing my face with a tissue to get rid of any excess oil. Now I'm just applying the Benefit Porefessional Primer all over my face. Alright, now back to the eyebrows. I'm applying some concealer under my brows to make it look more crisp. And I'm just using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard with a flat brush. I'm applying it all over my lids and just blending it out with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm setting the lids with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm using Morphe's setting brush for this. I'm applying some foundation above my eyebrows with a flat brush. Now I'm dotting some foundation all over my face and my neck. And I'm using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Tawny. And then I'm just pouncing my damn Beauty Blender to blend everything out. I'm being very careful around my eyebrows. Alright, concealer time. So I'm first applying the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard, and directly below that I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in Almond. Now I'm blending it with the Beauty Blender right away since I did notice that the concealer dries down quickly. I'm applying the concealer to highlight my T-zone, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way again. Just blending all of that with my Beauty Blender again, and I'm squeezing my Beauty Blender when I'm blending out my nose. There we go. How many times did I say blend in this video? Is anyone counting? Now, since this look is for a wedding, I do not want my makeup to move around, so I'll be going in with a cream contour, and then I'll be setting the contour later with the powder. And I'm just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Almond. Contouring the hollows of my cheeks first and blending it right away since this dries down very quickly as well, and it becomes harder to blend. So next I'm applying it on my temple and around my forehead. I noticed applying the product as so on my temples gives an illusion of your eyes being more lifted. A fun fact, I filmed this look over a year ago for a friend's wedding. I just never had the courage to actually post it. With this whole quarantine going on, I was able to reflect and really motivate myself. So yeah, better late than never, right? Applying some on my jawline and blending that out. I rinsed out my Beauty Blender and I'm just dabbing the Beauty Blender under my eyes to get rid of any creasing. Then I'm setting it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, and then I'm going ahead and baking all of that. All the areas that I applied the concealer on. I let this sit for maybe 30 seconds and then I just brushed it all away with my Morphe setting powder. Alright, let's get into the eyes. So I'm going in with Creamsicle from Morphe's Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with Morphe's M441 brush, and I'm applying it all over my crease. I'm going in with this orangey shade from the Morphe 350 palette with the E18 brush, and I'm just using it to define my crease and blending it all out. Jumping back to the Jaclyn Hill's palette, I'm mixing together Pukey and Hunts and just going in with the E18 brush and defining my crease again. Going back with the M433 brush with no additional product and just blurring out my crease. And then the M441 brush to blend it out some more. This is exhausting, you guys. Gonna be repeating those steps. I'm going in with Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the E18 brush to define the crease once again. Dabbing the brush into a napkin to remove some product, and just gonna go back in there to blur out that shadow. Going back with the M433 brush with no additional product, and then the M441 brush with no additional product. I blend this out properly. You heard? Going in with Fudge from the Anastasia Beverly Hills World Travelers palette, and I'm going in with Morphe's M321 brush and packing it all over my lid. Going back with my M433 brush with no additional product and just blending my crease. Now I'm taking Creamsicle and I'm just sweeping it all over my lower lids with my clean E18 brush. Lining my lower lids, mixing Pukey and Hunts, and I'm going in with my Morphe's M432 brush. Taking Pukey and using my E18 brush to blend out my lower lids, adding a little more of that fudge color on top of my lids again and making sure it connects with my lower lids. Alright, time to cut my face. I'm just going in with Shadowplay from Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette, and I'm using my Morphe's M523 brush to add it on the hollows of my cheeks and everywhere that I applied the cream contour to. Now I'm applying it on the sides of my nose using a random flat brush. Now I'm blurring it out with my finger and this random mini angled stippling brush that I found. Does the job. Now I'm taking my finger and I'm applying it between my cupid's bow and my lower lip. And this is going to give an illusion of pouty lips. I'm sorry guys, your girl's thirsty. Now for some blush slash bronzer, I'm going in with MUA from Morphe's Warm Master Blush Palette. And I'm using my Morphe's E3 brush. I'm applying it pretty much everywhere that I contour it. Also a little bit above my nose. And I want to cut my cheeks a little bit more. I'm taking my clean damp beauty blender and using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. And I'm just making sure I create a line connecting from the top of my ear to the middle of my lips. Now while this bakes, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And I'm applying my favorite mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex in black. Okay, I do not recommend putting on your skin like I am here. I'm just trying to get the corner of my lashes. Applying some matte black eye pencil on my upper waterline. Applying my falsies, and I'm using the Lily Lashes in Miami. While those dry, I'm going to be dusting away the powder. Shout out to my girls, Desi and Katy. I'm taking the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy and Fuego and using Morphe's M501 brush and applying it on my cheekbones and my forehead. I'm using Morphe's E36 brush and just applying the same highlighter on the tip and bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. I'm also using that brush to apply Primevera from Anastasia Beverly Hills The Modern Renaissance palette and applying it on the corner of my eyes and my brow bones. I'm going to be applying Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter eyeliner in Midnight Cowboy and applying it on the center of my lids. Alright, whenever I'm done checking myself out, I'm going to be applying Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner in black. I'm just going to line my eyes just to cover my falsies band. I'm not winging this out, I'm just simply applying it on top of the bands. I'm taking Maybelline's Colossal Mascara and blending the falsies with my natural lashes and also applying it to my lower lashes. Oh, almost done. I'm lining my lips with Kylie Cosmetics Exposed and also using the liquid lipstick in Exposed. Just dusting away any fallouts. Just darkening my eyebrows with a brown eyeshadow and using an angled brow brush. Applying the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow in the number 4. Now I'm just setting my face with Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. That's it. This is the finished look, you guys.
My name is Romana, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching my first video. In my channel I'll be posting a lot of makeup stuff, a lot of office attire, office makeup, some gym stuff, some nutrition stuff, pretty much how to be a boss lady. So if any of that interests you, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. I'm late!